We live in a vast universe teeming with wonders, yet danger lurks even in the smallest of life forms, viruses. Rabies, caused by the rabies virus, is one such danger. It's a silent killer, claiming the lives of around 60,000 people each year, mostly in developing countries. Rabies is a zoonotic disease, meaning it can spread from animals to humans. The bite of an infected animal, often a dog, delivers the deadly virus into our world. The tragedy of rabies is that it is entirely preventable. Vaccines exist that can protect us from this deadly disease. Yet lack of awareness, limited access to healthcare, and the cost of vaccination remain significant hurdles, particularly in regions where rabies is most prevalent. Each year, countless lives are lost to a disease that could have been prevented. Imagine the rabies virus as a stowaway on a microscopic spaceship. The spaceship is the virus particle. This spaceship enters the body through a bite. Its mission to reach the control center, our brain. The virus travels through the nerves like a network of highways, moving towards its destination. Once it reaches the brain, the virus begins its takeover. The brain, responsible for all our bodily functions, starts malfunctioning. Symptoms appear: fever, confusion, paralysis. The virus multiplies, wreaking havoc on the nervous system. The end result is almost always fatal. The fight against rabies began over a century ago. In 1885, Louis Pasteur developed the first rabies vaccine. This breakthrough offered a glimmer of hope against the deadly disease. Since then, vaccines have evolved significantly, offering better protection and safety. Today, several types of rabies vaccines are available. They work by introducing a weakened or inactive form of the virus into our bodies. This tricks our immune system into producing antibodies, the body's defense mechanism against infections. These antibodies remain in our system, ready to fight off the actual virus if we ever encounter it. While we have made significant strides in combating rabies, challenges remain. Current vaccines often require multiple doses, making them expensive and logistically challenging to administer, especially in remote areas. Furthermore, access to post-exposure treatment, crucial for preventing the disease after a bite, is limited in many parts of the world. However, the fight is far from over. Scientists are constantly working on developing new and improved vaccines. These include vaccines that are more effective, require fewer doses, and are easier to store and transport. Organizations like the World Health Organization and Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, are working tirelessly to improve access to rabies vaccines globally. They are supporting countries in implementing mass dog vaccination programs, a crucial step in controlling the disease at its source. The dream is to create a world free from rabies, a world where no one has to endure the pain and suffering caused by this preventable disease. With continued research, innovation, and global collaboration, this dream can become a reality. The universe is vast, full of mysteries and challenges, but it is also full of hope. And in the fight against rabies, hope is our strongest weapon.